In this part, I'm going to explain how we can do the recoil for the weapon when the user shoots. So I took the code from a Unity forum link, which is responsible for the recoil for the weapon. So we're going to copy and paste it in our Unity project. Let's go to the script folder and create a script. We're gonna name it recoil, and then we're gonna open it. And then we're gonna copy and paste the script. So I'm gonna explain the script in a general way. We have the max recoil X and Y axis. These are the maximum amount of rotation the weapon will experience when shooting. And then we have the max trans. These are the maximum translation movement the weapon will experience. And then we have the recoil speed, how quickly the weapon will return to its original position. And then we have the recoil level. In the update function, we're gonna check if recoil is greater than 0, which means like the user is shooting its weapon. It will calculate a random rotation with the specified limits and store it in the max recoil variable. And then we're gonna smoothly rotate between the current rotation and the max recoil variable. And it does the same thing for the translation. It calculates a random translation and then uses vector.slurp to gradually move the weapon between the current position and the max translation. And then recoil is gonna decrease over time. Now when recoil is 0, if recoil reaches 0, it means that the recoil effect is done, like the user stops shooting. So it's gonna gradually return the weapon to its initial position and rotation, but at a slower rate. So in our weapon script, we're gonna reference the recoil script, and in the update function, we're gonna check if the recoil level is less than 0.2. Then we're gonna increment it by 0.1, else we're gonna reset it to 0. Okay, so we're gonna create an empty parent in the SCAR prefab, and then we're gonna name it recoil, and we're gonna attach the recoil script to it. And then in the SCAR prefab, we're gonna assign the recoil object in the field. And then in the player camera, just disable the noise, make it to none. Let's play the scene. And also you can of course play with the values here, but these were like my preference.